Let's face it, the crypto world can be a bit of a roller coaster. One minute, everyone's talking about the next big thing, the next Bitcoin, the next way to get rich quick. Then, the market takes a dip, and suddenly, those same people are scrambling to salvage what they can. It's enough to make anyone wary, especially when it comes to something like Gemini Earn. Here's the deal: you deposit your crypto with Gemini, they lend it out, and you, the depositor, earn interest. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Passive income, just for holding onto your crypto. But is it too good to be true? Has anyone lost money on Gemini Earn? The short answer is yes. There's always a risk involved when you're dealing with cryptocurrency. The market is volatile, and anything can happen. But before you hit that unsubscribe button, let's dig a little deeper. Understanding the risks of Gemini Earn. First things first, Gemini Earn isn't some shady back-alley crypto scheme. Gemini is a reputable exchange, licensed and regulated in the U.S. They take security seriously, and they have measures in place to protect your assets. However, that doesn't eliminate risk entirely. Here's what you need to consider. Market fluctuations. Remember, the crypto market moves fast. The value of your holdings could fluctuate significantly while they are on loan. This means you could potentially get back less than what you deposited, even if Gemini Earn performs flawlessly. Borrower default. Just like any loan, there's always a chance the borrower could default on their repayment. Gemini has a rigorous assessment process, but there's no guarantee. Early withdrawal fees. Life happens. Maybe you need your crypto back unexpectedly. Unfortunately, Gemini Earn charges fees for early withdrawals, so you might lose some potential earnings if you have to pull out before your term is up. So, is Gemini Earn safe? There's no simple answer. It depends on your risk tolerance and your crypto goals. If you're looking for a rock-solid, guaranteed return, Gemini Earn might not be the best fit. On the other hand, if you're comfortable with a little volatility and you're looking for a way to potentially boost your crypto holdings, it could be a good option. Here are some things to keep in mind before you decide. Do your research, understand the risks involved with Gemini Earn and with the crypto market in general. Don't just jump in because it sounds easy. Start small. Don't put all your crypto eggs in one basket. Start with a smaller amount to test the waters and see how comfortable you are with the process. Consider your investment horizon. Are you planning to hold onto your crypto for the long haul? Gemini Earn terms can range from a few weeks to several months. Make sure your investment timeline aligns with the program's options. The bottom line: be smart, be informed. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Gemini Earn is up to you. But by understanding the risks and rewards involved, you can make an informed choice that fits your financial goals. Remember, there's no free lunch in the world of finance. Earning interest on your crypto sounds great, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Do your research, be smart, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.